Happy Vlogmas Day 13, Friday the 13th. You might have noticed I did not put a video up yesterday. I was feeling so run down and I had a full day of work. Thank goodness I was working from home, but as soon as the day was over, we had a very quick dinner and I was in bed by 7:30. Did not sleep well at all, and I'm not feeling a lot better, but at least I'm now officially on vacation until January 6th. So that is awesome, and just that is putting a little bit more pep in my step or giving me a little bit of a boost. So I am down here now. It's about 9 in the morning and I've been watching Friday Sews videos and Vlogmas videos for the past couple hours because I was up very early. And now I'm down here ready to get to work on some sewing. I need to print a bunch of patterns. I need to cut some fabric that's already been washed. I need to wash other fabric. And I want to sew up Marianne's kitty t-shirt. So the t-shirt I put the embroidery on. So that is one of the things I have to get done this morning, or want to get done this morning. Obviously, I don't have to do anything. So yeah, so I'm going to try and take it easy and go slow because I really want to feel better for tomorrow, because Marianne and I are supposed to go to a Christmas market up north. It is supposed to be very cold tomorrow, so we'll see how we feel about going to an outdoors Christmas market when it's -15 out. But part of the market is also indoors, so at least there's that. But if I'm not feeling any better, I probably won't go. I don't want to be around people and risk getting people sick so close to the holidays. So anywho, let's get the calendar open this morning and see what we got. All right, so day 13 says, what the world needs now is love. So let's see what we got. Oh, they're pink. I like that. Oh, and there's 4 of them. 2 different designs. So let's have a look. So the first one, oh, it's a beautiful heart. That's very cute. I could see that sewn into like a side seam of a garment, like a sweater or a t-shirt. That's beautiful. And then the other design says, ooh la la. Very cute. I love these. Very, very nice. All right, so like I said, I've got to get the printer going, so I'm going to do that. Just send all of those patterns to my printer, start taping them together, starting with the Nepheline blouse, because that's definitely going to be on my cutting table at some point this weekend. And then I'm going to sew Marianne while the printer's going. I'm going to sew Marianne's t-shirt. I'll show it to you when it's done. And yeah, I was hoping I could mail a few Christmas cards or Christmas gifts today or early next week, but you may have heard Canada Post is on strike. So there's basically no mail being sent, and alternatives are just not reasonable, let's just say, because none of the things I need to send are in Canada. They need to go abroad, and that was like, yeah, it's just not great. So that's a little bit sad. Also, every year I get a few Christmas cards, and obviously I haven't gotten any because there's no mail delivery. So around this time of year, that's a little bit sad, but hey, such is life. So yeah, I'm going to get on with what I need to do. Probably go and get some food in me because I've been medicating myself with cold and flu type drugs, and they are kind of doing a number on my stomach. So I'm going to go put food in me, get the printer going, get sewing, and I'll get back to you at some point today. I'm not sure you're helping there, baby bear. Hey? What are you doing? Whew. Okay, hold on. There we go. No, not quite. All right, better. All right, so I thought I'd pop on because it's probably near 1 o'clock right now. I've been doing a few things and I did finish Marianne's t-shirt and I don't know what I did, and I'm gonna blame my cold, but this is the front, which you can clearly see because the neckline is lower, but here's where the kitty is on the back. So I don't know what I did. I have no clue. I mean, the t-shirt is cute. It's got 3/4 length sleeves. I guess this could be like an emblem in the back of a top. Obviously, I'm still going to give it to her, but she's probably only going to wear it around the house now or as a PJ top. I tell you, I have no clue what I did. But anyways, this is done. This can get put away. I have washed my Think Pink fabric. I have printed and adjusted the Nepheline blouse pattern. A few of you actually, when I mentioned the blouse, said to be careful because the darts are very high. So I put the pattern up against my body, compared it to my cashmerette sloper, and lowered the darts by a full inch, hoping that's going to do the trick. I'm making a size 7 based on the finished garment measurements, but also this is the size that's going to fit my shoulders the best. So it's a little small for all my other measurements, but there's so much ease built into that pattern that I'm fairly certain it's going to be fine. I mean, it better be fine because I don't want to waste that gorgeous, gorgeous fabric. So next up is cutting my Nepheline blouse and then maybe even starting to sew it up. So I'm excited. So yeah, so I'll report back later. I think for now I'm going to take a bit of a break from here, from being down here, and maybe make myself a cup of tea and go chill with hubby upstairs. And then I'll come back later on this afternoon to get some more stuff done. So I'll see you then. Hello, it is, I don't even know, almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I have cut my Nepheline blouse as well as my Kira in the gray velvet. There we go. So 2 garments cut. I've done a few other things around the house. I've been going very slow though because it's hard to breathe. But yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good. So I'm going to take a short break now, go upstairs, hang out with hubby, figure out what we're doing for dinner, and then I'll probably come back down here and start sewing my blouse. So yeah, when I do that, I'll jump back on, and yeah, let you know how I'm doing. So I'll chat to you in a bit. Whew. And I'm back. It is almost 10 o'clock. Time has just been flying by. I've been working on my Nepheline blouse, and so far I am loving it. So I've got the shoulder seams, the side seams done, and I have now just basted the ruffle. Look how cute this is gonna look. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. So yeah, it's going really quickly. I decided I'm not gonna do the pleats on the sleeves just because in this really busy fabric, I don't see the point. They're not gonna show anyways. So I'm just gonna gather the sleeves into the cuffs and just leave it at that. So I'll have nice big bishop sleeves. So yeah, so I'm gonna end today's video here, edit, upload, and hopefully still have a little bit of time for sewing. But if not, I'll be back at the sewing machine in the morning. So hope you had a great day 13, and I will see you tomorrow.